my goodness.
Are we dead?
Are you dead?
Am I dead?
Yeah.
Why?
Today's the 21st. Today's not
We're
supposed
supposed to be
dead.
dead.
Oh, 11 o'clock tonight and tomorrow. We gotta live to 11 o'clock.
Boo!
What's at 11?
That's when we're supposed to die.
We were told it was midnight.
I thought it was.
Oh, is
Thought it was midnight.
Yeah.
Oh.
Not 11, it's midnight.
Oh, shucks. They was still playing on the radio a little bit ago. Thank God it's Friday. So I'm happy it's Friday. I'm seeing it's the last day.
Hey, at least we're not dead. It's all good.
Yet.
You're a creeper.
You're a creeper. She's a
Have you
creeper.
showed people what you were wearing? Creeper!
Stop it.
That mask so fits you. It just makes your eyes pop out. He's sexy and he knows it.
Fist bump. Go ahead, Gangnam Style.
Okay, I'm gonna do Jason's thing.